Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to organize your household maintenance tasks in Todoist, the complete 2025 guide. Our first step is creating a project. Open up your Todoist app and click on the plus button, then select Project. Name it something like Household Maintenance. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for all your household chores. Now once you've created your project, it's time to add tasks. Hit the plus button within your project and start adding tasks. For example, clean the kitchen or fix the bathroom sink. This helps us because it makes sure we don't forget any important tasks. Next up is assigning due dates. Click on each task and set a due date. Maybe you want to clean the kitchen every Saturday, for instance. Setting due dates is important to keep us on track and maintain a regular cleaning schedule. The fourth step is to categorize tasks using labels. Click on a task, then click on the label icon and type your label, like cleaning or repair. This is useful because it groups similar tasks together, making it easier to find and manage them. Finally, to make things even easier, let's use filters. On the left-hand side, click Add Filter. You could create filters like Tasks Due Today or Cleaning Tasks. This helps us because it allows us to quickly see what tasks we need to focus on. Now that we've done that, let's talk about why this matters. Organizing your household maintenance tasks in Todoist keeps everything in one place, ensuring you never miss a task. It also allows you to easily track your progress so you can see how much you've accomplished. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to manage your household chores using Todoist. Remember, the key is to be consistent in updating and checking off your tasks. So, that wraps up our tutorial on organizing household maintenance tasks in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your household tasks.